Hi, this is Dr. JMR. Today we are going to learn about hard water and soft water. What is hard water? Hard water which contains calcium and magnesium salts of bicarbonates, bisulfates, carbonates, etc. So it which does not give lather with soap, bicarbonate, or you take bisulfate, chlorides of calcium and magnesium salts. They are known as hard water. So here hard water contains calcium and magnesium salts of bicarbonates, sulfates, bisulfates, etc. So how you are going to, what do you mean by soft water? Soft water which does not contains calcium and magnesium salts. So here these are water which gives soft water means which gives lather. So but hard water does not give lather. So that is the difference. So here what happened? How we are going to remove this hardness from the water? So by here naturally hard water is mainly classified into two types. One is temporary hard water and the one is permanent hard water. What is temporary hard water? Temporary hard water, it is due to presence of carbonate, means it is due to presence of bicarbonates and bisulfates of water, calcium and magnesium salts. So take bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium salts. If you remove these bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium salts, so that water will become water soft. This is known as temporary hard water. What do you mean by permanent hard water? Permanent water is due to presence of carbonates of calcium and magnesium salts, or you take chlorides, or you take sulfates of what? Calcium and magnesium salts. Calcium and magnesium salts, these are known as water, permanent hot water. Once again, what is temporary hot water? If the given sample of the solution which contains calcium and magnesium salts of bicarbonates, they are known as temporary hot water. That water is known as temporary hot water. The given sample of the water which contains carbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium and magnesium salts, then we can call it as permanent hard water. So here how we are going to remove this temporary hard water and permanent hard water to become what? Soft. How we are going to remove? First we'll take temporary hot water. First method is it can be removed by two methods. One is by boiling. By simple method, by boiling. By boiling we can convert the temporary hot water into permanent hot, convert into soft water. Number two, Clark's method. This is also another method for purification of temporary hot water. Then permanent hardness. How you are going to remove the permanent hot water? Number one, addition of washing soda. First method is addition of washing soda. Then second method is permuted process. Second method is permuted process. This is also another method, second method. Then third one is how to remove the hardness, means Calgon process. Calgon process. And last one is ion exchange method. So first method we have to learn in temporary hot water. So here what happened? By boiling. How you are going to remove the temporary hot water from that solution, given sample of the solution? Number one, temporary hot water. First method, that is by boiling. How you are going to remove? By boiling. By boiling means by heating. Suppose a substance which contains calcium bicarbonates. On heating, what happened? That bicarbonates are converted into carbonates and settle down at the bottom of the container, and carbon dioxide gas evaporated and water. Here calcium carbonate, it is settled down at the bottom of the carbon dioxide, so to form then like this. Here calcium bicarbonates are converted into carbonates. They settle down at the bottom of the container. It can be eliminated. Or you take magnesium bicarbonate. So on heating, what happened? This is converted into magnesium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. It can be removed. This is the one of the method for the removal of temporary hot water. And second one is Clark's method. Next method is Clark's method. So by the addition of calculated quantities of lime water to the hot water, they convert into insoluble carbonates. How? Suppose you take calcium bicarbonate. Naturally, if they are present, bicarbonates are present, naturally it is called temporary hot water. By the addition of calculated lime water, means certain concentration of calcium bicarbonate to the water, so immediately they are converted into what? Carbonates, calcium carbonate. They settle down at the bottom of the container. Like this here, what happened? These are converted into their respective products, means insoluble products. Like this. This is the second method for the removal of what? Temporary hot water. First method is by boiling. Second method is Clark's method. These two methods are very useful for the removal of temporary hot water. Then what about permanent? And here, by the first method is by boiling, simple boiling, we can remove what? Bicarbonates, that is boiling. Second method is Clark's method. By the addition of calculated quantities of calcium carbonate, so finally that is precipitated, and finally you will get that hard water will become soft. So like this, thank you. This is about how to remove the temporary hot water. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చిందంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు వాంట్ ఎనీ వీడియోస్ కావాలంటే ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. సో ఫైనల్లీ, I will upload that videos. Thank you. This is Dr. Jayama.